guys, let's see what my sister is doing over here. She's the best chef in the world.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making marinara sauce for our pizza. So the pizza dough has been rising for quite a while and I have cut the boneless chicken into cubes. So for this, we're going to be mixing in our spices. For this, we need 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of thyme, and half teaspoon of salt. So why don't you mix it in?
Okay, we have to mix all this.
Yeah. So while he's mixing it in, we're going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of hot sauce into our pan. So I'm using a saucepan because it's easier to use and, well, it's easy. So along with our spices and our hot sauce, we need around 1 cup of tomato puree. So this is gonna take a while.
That's it?
Well, it's well combined?
Yeah.
Okay. Well then, I'm just gonna add the hot sauce to this. Just keep on mixing it.
Okay.
We need 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Okay. So I was using American Garden's Louisiana style hot sauce. So
The smell is strong.
I am going to add the tomato puree. It's 1 cup into our saucepan. This is freshly made. And we're going to add our spices and hot sauce into this. So we're going to mix this in. And I'm going to place it on the stove and let it cook until it's boiling. So now that it's mixed, we're just going to cover it up and take it back here to the stove. I'm gonna turn the stove on and let this cook until it's boiling. So that'll take around 2 minutes, so I'll see you then. Now that our sauce has come to a boil, we're going to take it off the stove and set it aside. So you might want to give it a stir. And so the sauce should look like this now. And so we're just going to set this aside and you can use it whenever you want to make pizza. And always refrigerate this before use. So that's the marinara sauce. See you guys.